What's happening, everybody? Oh my God. We're here. We're at the trailhead. Duffy Lake again, except we're going past Duffy. We're going to Jorn, which went to last time, but from the other way. So we're getting a whole 360 view of the place. Kids stayed home from this one. It's a little rainy. Maybe you can hear it dropping. But I got my buddy here with us. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know. But it's supposed to get high of 50, low of 37, 38. Maybe a little cold, a little wet. We're going to test out some gear. So come with us. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy our misery. Embracing the suck. Here it goes. Let's. Where's that camera? Over here. Over here. What's up, everybody? I didn't film shit coming in. It was pretty crummy anyways. Weather, fog, rain, joy. We're chilling in our hammocks right now. Trying to warm up a little bit. Got some cold feet going on. But yeah, we're all set up. Got a pretty good spot out of the wind. I don't know how much I'm going to film. It's a blistery day. A little view. Jordan Lake out there. Thinking about warming up a little bit and then heading to a little side trip to Bowerman Lake. See what that looks like. About a half mile away. And we'll do some dinner. And then we'll hit the hay. Got some hot chocolate. A little homemade Kahlua in there. Tasty. But I'll spin you around and we'll take a look at the lake. There's a hammock buddy over there. Look at the lake right over there. Right through there. Tarps up, got a little porch mode. Trekking poles there. Tight pitch on this side.